Hey everyone, it's Sam Bryant from Bryant Taylor Law, and in my opinion, business credit cards are dangerous. Before we get into it, Bryant Taylor Law is a business law firm that helps entrepreneurs start their businesses and also helps business partners resolve their partnership disputes. So, why do I think business credit cards are dangerous? On the surface, they seem like they're a really good idea. If you set up your business and you set it up correctly, hopefully you used an attorney to do it, you can put your business name on a credit card. So if you have Joe Smith LLC, the credit card will be issued in the name of Joe Smith LLC, not Joe Smith in his personal capacity. So that pretty much means then, outside of the initial credit check, which the banks will use to determine your credit limit, your personal credit is not affected by what you do on the card. So at first glance, it sounds like it'd be a good idea to just use your business credit card to run your operating expenses through and then just pay it off at the end of the month. And in rough times, at least you'll have some security of knowing that you can float yourself and then pay it as much as you can without incurring too much of a bonus, or not bonus, a balance. But there's a real dark side to business credit cards. Just like personal credit cards, you can get yourself in a lot of trouble with a business credit card. And it's misleading because I just said earlier that your personal credit is not affected by your business activity on your business credit card. The exception, though, and it's an exception that they're never going to tell you up front, is even though your credit card is in the name of your business, more than likely you are still personally liable for your credit card balance if you have one. So if you decide I need to close down my business and you have a balance on your business credit card, you may be personally liable for that balance. And you may be thinking, well, I signed my credit application in the name of the business and it's in the business name, and when we get the mail, it's the business, not me. That may be true, but I am willing to bet you didn't read your cardholder agreement with the issuer, because there's usually a provision in there that says that you are agreeing to be personally liable. And that's usually the one exception where you can be liable personally for the debts of your business. The exception being that you voluntarily make yourself personally liable. And you do that when you sign those credit card agreements, and they have that clause in there. So I say that these business credit cards are dangerous because it may trap you in your business if your credit limit is large enough, because you can't just simply close down your business and walk away from your credit card debt. The bank has the authority to go after you personally, which means your personal bank accounts, any other businesses you may own could be at stake, at least the accounts for those businesses, or they could sue you. The issuer could sue you. So when you have a business credit card, even if it's in the name of your business, be careful, because you could still be personally liable, and odds are the major banks do it. So a rule of thumb is, if the credit card is not secured by inventory, or you had to go through some vetting process of showing your revenue, then more than likely you are still personally liable for your business credit card. I hope you found that informative. Feel free to like our video, subscribe, comment below if you thought it was good. If there's anything else you want us to touch on, we'll be more than happy to review it and make more videos for you, because this is for you. We're hoping that we give you value. So stay safe, everyone, and have a good one.